Hello dear friends, it's Princess Alex, and today I want to show you a video about Disney princesses with glowing birds. Enjoy watching! Princess Aurora from Sleeping Beauty.
It's been a long time, I've been waiting for you. I got my feelings up and it's just for you. I just need a little bit of time to breathe.
Princess Merida from Brave.
Need a little bit of time to ease up my mind. All for you. Situation got me running like I'm losing my mind. All for you. I feel with every little step I take I'm crossing your line. All for you. I'm all for you.
Princess Moana from Moana. Princess Snow White from Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs.
All for you. 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 All for you.
Princess Belle from Beauty and the Beast. Princess Pocahontas from Pocahontas.
She got me running like I'm losing my mind. All for you. I feel with every little step I take I'm crossing your line. All for you. I'm all for you. All for you. Yeah. I'm all for you. All for you.
Princess Tiana from The Princess and the Frog. Princess Mulan from Mulan.
All for you. 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 All for you.
Princess Cinderella from Cinderella. Princess Jasmine from Aladdin.
Waiting for you. I got my feelings up and it's just for you. I just need a little bit of time to breathe in and out. I just need a little bit of time to ease up my mind. All for you. Situation got me running.
Princess Ariel from The Little Mermaid.
All for you. I feel with every little step I take I'm crossing your line. All for you. I'm all for you. All for you. Yeah. I'm all for you. All for you.
Princess Rapunzel from Tangled. Princess Anna from Frozen.
All for you. All for you. All for you. All for you. All for you.
Princess Elsa from Frozen.
I'm looking at your light, I'm looking at your lights blinding me. Just trying to make it right, but I can't breathe. Situation got me running like I'm losing my mind. All for you, I feel with every little step I take, I'm crossing your line.
Please write down in the comments what is your favorite art. Please like and subscribe for more new videos. Thank you for watching. Now you can watch one of these videos. See you soon. Bye bye.